Hello traders, so how much drawdown can you expect in Forex trading? Well, I would say 20 losses in a row, maybe even 30 losses in a row. That is definitely possible. If you're risking 1% per trade, as I am, then you can expect a 20% to 30% drawdown on your account. So I am a trend trader, and usually with trend trading, you can get a lower win rate around 30, 40, 50%. And yeah, this lower win rate does result in drawdowns and long losing periods. The key is, of course, keeping the losses small and letting the winners run. That is how we make money with trend trading. So let's first take a look at my live trading results and look at some of the drawdowns that I personally experienced. Okay, so here we are in Excel. I have exported the data from MetaTrader 5. This is my live IC markets account, of course. And I did start fully live trading in April of 2022, and this goes to around, as you can see, 31st of January 2023. So the most recent data is also here. So this is a little less than 1 year of live trading. And as you can see, commissions are included in the profits. So yeah, the profits are going to be a bit lower because of these commissions. Here are the profits for each of the trades. And here is the chart for drawing the equity graph, which is to the right. So there are around 70 trades right here. I did take around 70 trades from April. And as you can see, the worst drawdown period. So let's go to the equity chart. Okay, so here is the equity chart. As you can see, goes up a bit, and then we have this huge drawdown, goes up again, drawdown, up again, drawdown, and then we're going up. This is of course some huge trades I took in January, and I have to add, I have been adding and then withdrawing funds from this live account. So the risk per trade may be different for each trade. I did start with risking 0.5%, and currently I'm risking the full 1% on this live account. So this right here is what we are interested in. So basically I had a profit of 1,536 euros, and then it went all the way down to around 347 euros. So this was the drawdown. It is marked in yellow, and there were around 23 trades here that were losses. So as you can see, all of these are negative and all of these are consecutive. So this was the largest drawdown that I personally experienced. From the chart, that is from this point to this one. So 23 losses. And then as you can see, I managed to get out of the drawdown. And in January, just one trade took me completely back to this point, and then more profits came. So that's very good. So yeah, looking at the data, I believe this was definitely the largest drawdown. And it is also important to know that I was still learning at this phase. So some of these trades are pretty crap. I would not take them again. So in this period, I did learn very much of what good trades look like and what bad trades look like. I also missed some trades. So yeah, there were a couple of beginner errors here, but still it is a 23 trade drawdown, and it did happen in my live trading. And I believe most beginner traders can expect something like this at the beginning of their trading career, of course. Okay, so let's now take a look at something a bit different. This is a Myfxbook from Trader Nick. Some of you may know him from YouTube. He has a huge trading channel, and he's definitely a legit, consistently profitable trader. And these are his results from, I believe it's October 2020 up until now, so January 31st, 2023. And this is of course his equity chart. And you can see the gain that he made from 2020 to 2023 is around 80%, and that's awesome. Those are definitely some really nice profits, especially if you're trading a large capital. And as you can see, the max drawdown was around 19.36%. And if you're risking 1% per trade, then this 19.36% drawdown is around 20 losses in a row. And he also took around 361 trades in this period. That's around, I believe, 100 to 150 trades per year. So I had, as I said, around 70 from that period from April to January now. So yeah, both of us were around 100 trades per year. And as you can see, if we click the drawdown here, so we have 15.83% drawdown here. Another one right here, 19.36%. That was the biggest one. And we have another one, 15.19%. So drawdown can happen, and it happens to everyone. It is just a part of trading. And the last thing I want to show you guys is of course on the FTMO official website. This is the equity simulator. Basically, you put in the capital, win rate, risk to reward, iterations, lines, and then you get how much drawdown you can expect for these statistics. Okay, so let's start. Let's say you're trading with around 10 20,000 euros. I will put in my statistics. So my win rate is around 30%. My risk to reward is around 7. So my average risk to reward is around 7 iterations. So that's basically number of trades within one simulation. We will put 100 because we are taking around 100 trades per year. And we have number of simulations. Let's put 100 right here. Risk percentage, I'm risking 1% per trade. So we will leave the 1% and click run, and we basically get our data right here. As you can see, 100 iterations, and you can see maximum consecutive losers 22. And for this iteration, the max drawdown was around 16.98%. The average drawdown was around 4.4%, and the average maximum drawdown was around 8.42%. So this is a really good tool to calculate the drawdowns. We can run it again, then we will have some different data. So basically right here, we have max consecutive losers. Right now, it is around 30. The max drawdown is around 22.31%. So this is your worst case scenario, I would say. Okay, so let's do the same for trader Nick's strategy. Let's say he is trading with around 50K. Win rate, we will check. So his win rate is around 44%. So let's put 44. Let's say his average risk to reward is around 1.8. And let's say 100 trades per year. And let's do 100 simulations. And let's risk 1% per trade. Click run. And as you can see here, max consecutive losers 15. Maximum drawdown 23.4%. Average drawdown 3.11. Average maximum drawdown 8.56. So this is a very good tool, and I would definitely recommend taking your statistics either from your backtesting or from your live trading, putting it in, and then you will know how much drawdown you can expect. The best advice I can give you, don't rely solely on your backtesting results. In backtesting, there are very little emotions. When you go live, there will be a whole bunch of emotions. Your max drawdown will definitely increase. So if in backtesting you got a 10 trade maximum drawdown, I would double it. You can expect it to be twice as big when you're live trading, when there are emotions. So FOMO, fear of loss, consecutive winners, consecutive losers, a huge drawdown, and all of the other emotions that come with live trading. My best advice for beginners is expect that you will have a big drawdown, especially early in your trading career. Every trader goes through it. You haven't fully developed your strategy. You're still learning, and in your live trading, you will make mistakes. You will take some dumb trades. You will miss some good winners, and because of that, you will have a big drawdown. As you just saw, I definitely went through it in the last year, so I think it happens to everyone. And yeah, drawdown is hard. Drawdown makes you feel hopeless, and it makes you feel like you're the worst trader in the world and that you just cannot take a winning trade, especially if it lasts for a couple of weeks or maybe even 2 or 3 months. Remember that if you have a solid trade plan, a winner will eventually come. You just need to be patient and you need to wait for that winner. That one winner will pay off for most of the losses. As I said, January for me was absolutely huge, around 50 to 60% profit. And then the 20% drawdown actually does not matter because I just need a few of the big winners to pay off the drawdown and put me in some really nice profit. So the summary of the video is 20 trade drawdowns can happen. You can get 20 losses in a row. When you backtest your strategy, when you live trade your strategy, take the data, put it in the equity simulator. There you will get the worst case scenario. You will get the max drawdown numbers. So losses don't really matter if you keep them small. Win rate in trading does not matter. We take a few small losses and then one winner pays for them all and puts us in major profit. So that's it for the video, guys. Hope you enjoyed, took some value. If you're interested in one-on-one coaching calls, link is in the description. I also offer a 12-week mentorship, so make sure you go to my website. All of the information is there. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next one.